This is the Amazon project. My name is Crystal Francis. Our group members were myself, Keith, Gwendolyn, and Rocio. In 1994, Amazon was founded by Jeff Bezos. It was originally created to be an online bookstore. In 1997, he opened a second distribution for those customers on the East Coast in Newcastle, Delaware. By this point, he had over 1 million customers. In 1998, he started selling DVDs and CDs for music. This allowed customers to listen to music online and view videos. In 2000, he started selling toys, clothing, furniture, toys, electronics, music, and cloud computing services. In 2001, he finally reached his first profit. In 2004, he decided to enter into the China market. And then in 2018, by the end of last year, he had revenue of $72.4 billion and over 600,000 employees. This is a US-based multinational firm. It's also an electronic commerce firm. Amazon is under the special retail industry. It's based in Seattle and Washington, D.C., and Amazon is an e-commerce retail company. It's operated in the United States, Japan, Germany, and the UK. There are 3 operates in different categories. You have North America, international segments, and the Amazon Web Service.